Hey everyone, Huawei has taken an unconventional approach to the foldable phone market with the introduction of Pura X, a device that challenges the standard flip phone design. Unlike typical flip phones that fold vertically, Pura X opens horizontally, creating form factor that offers broader display more akin to tablet. This unique design choice helps bridge the gap between compact flip phones and larger book-style foldables, presenting a fresh perspective in the foldable phone segment. When closed, the Pura X bears a resemblance to other popular flip phones like the Motorola Razr or Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, with a square cover screen positioned beneath its triple camera setup. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the Huawei Pura X is its departure from Android. It runs on HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's newest iteration of its proprietary operating system, which completely eliminates support for Android apps and the Android open source project. Adding to its software capabilities, the Pura X debuts Harmony Intelligence, an AI assistant built on Huawei's Pangu model, enhanced by DeepSeek technology. This AI-driven assistant is meant to provide intelligent recommendations and optimize user interactions. In terms of hardware, the Pura X is packed with high-end specifications. Its 6.3-inch LTPO2 OLED display supports HDR Vivid, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, ensuring an exceptional visual experience. The cover display, measuring 3.5 inches with a 980 by 980 resolution, provides a convenient interface for quick interactions when the phone is folded. Powering the device is Huawei's Kirin 9020 chipset. The device comes in multiple storage and RAM configurations, reaching up to 1 terabyte of internal storage with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Pura X's advanced quad camera system. The 50 megapixels primary sensor comes equipped with PDAF and optical image stabilization for sharp and stable shots. The 8 megapixels telephoto lens offers 3.5x optical zoom, while the 40 megapixels ultra-wide sensor ensures versatility for capturing expansive shots. Additionally, the 1.5 megapixels multispectral red maple color camera enhances color accuracy and detail. On the front, a 10.7 megapixel selfie camera provides decent image quality for video calls and self-portraits. Battery life is another highlight, with the Pura X housing a 4,720 mAh battery. Charging is efficient with 66-watt wired, 40-watt wireless, and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging support, ensuring quick top-ups when needed. Reverse wired charging at 5 watt allows users to share power with other devices in emergencies. Overall, the Huawei Pura X is a bold step forward in the foldable phone industry. By shifting away from Android and introducing a new horizontal flip design, Huawei has created a device that stands out from the competition. Its powerful hardware, premium display, strong camera system, and AI-driven HarmonyOS Next ecosystem make it an exciting option, particularly for users in China who are fully integrated into Huawei's ecosystem. It remains to be seen whether this innovative design will influence future foldable phones or remain a niche experiment. But for now, Pura X showcases Huawei's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.